to change Facebook page name. To do this, first of all, open your Facebook application and hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the menu, you will see a menu icon. Click on that and choose your page from which you want to change your name. Then again, click on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and from there scroll down and go through the setting and privacy, and then hit on settings. If you scroll down, there you will see page setup. Hit on that, and then there you will see name. Click on view. From here, change the name whichever you want to add. For now, I am just using this one, and then click on the review change. Before clicking on the review change, you need to make sure that you can't change it again for 60 days, so please check your name twice. Then click on the review change and hit the password, and then click on the save change, and then your Facebook page name will be changed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.